Welcome back, guys. So for those of you who are still finding it very complex to grab what I actually said yesterday regarding to the video on shorting, please just pay very close attention. I'm going to explain everything step by step. I'm very sure that if you pay attention to this video, you are going to understand everything and how we get to go about this shorting it. Now, what's the first thing is we always target Binance announcements, and that is the main goal. The other exchanges, I am not interested in their announcements. The only announcement I am interested is Binance announcement, and which they are actually giving announcements every week. They list many coins every week. So let me take you to Binance Telegram platform so that you can also follow them, and you can also go ahead and do your research about this. You can see it's Binance announcement. They have almost 6.1 million currently. Now look at this announcements. Look at the listing. The first thing is they will first make announcements that they are going to list something, is a coin, and once they make that announcement, immediately we found that Binance made announcement we are heading to Coin Marketcap. Once we head over to Coin Marketcap, the coin that they announce, you see, the first thing here is announcement, which was made around 2:43 here. At this stage, all we need to do is go head over to market cap and go ahead and search for this coin, this anime coin. And once we discover that this anime coin, any coin, not only anime, any coin that Binance actually announce, and once we discover that the coin is listed already in other exchanges, all we need to do is to buy it down. I'm going to show you example now. So that is the sporting trading. So let me head over to this exchange and show you example. Okay, before we head over to, let me show you one coin like this. This recent coin, the recent announcement. Okay, you see Binance on the 9, look at the date here. Look at the date here. On the 9, they made announcement that Binance will list Gems and TST. Here is it. Here is TST. And also look at the time, around 8:17. So what we actually, our duty is to head over to Coin Marketcap and go ahead and check if these two coins are already listed on any exchanges. If they are actually being listed there, we will actually buy the coin and hold it. And once we hold it, immediately Binance list their coin, because once they list it, they are going to give the time. And so after this, they announce this. After they put out new list, this announcement, this. So once they give this announcement, we will immediately, and look at the time they announce again, around 11:33. We will immediately head over to that same platform we bought and sell it there. We are not going to transfer the coin to Binance because they are going to suspend the withdrawal or deposit as at that moment. So we will sell the coin over there, and as the coin pull up, because Binance announcement is always a great announcement. It always pump the coin. Let's say we bought the coin very low, and if Binance make announcement, the coin will actually pop up. We can also put our TP that, okay, if this coin reach this level, it should sell, and by then we are going to make a lot of profit. Now let me take you to this exchange. This same TST was announced on 9 from Binance, and on this exchange it was listed since on 6. Let me show you. This is a day candle. This is a day candle, and this was the listing candle. This candle was very long as at that very day that it was listed, but due to the power of Binance and the power of the pump, you see, it actually buried this from here. It actually jumped up to this top here. You see, from here it jumped up to this up here. Now let me show you. Let me click on it. As you can see, look at the date. It was listed on 6. Look at the date here, and the highest the coin can do is 0.04. This is it, 0.04, and the lowest was 0.007. After it comes down, it's pumped down again. This 0.04 was the highest that this pump did when it was listed on 6. Look at the dates here. Now the game is the following day it actually pumped again to 0.01, also 0.03 was the highest. Still it did not pump well. That was on the 7th. That was on the 7th here. So now on the 8th, before Binance make announcement, on the 8th it actually pumped. It was trying to recover. It actually pumped to 0.02. Okay, now this on the 9 in the morning, before it actually pump up, before Binance made announcement, this on the 8th, because the candle of this is the candle of 9, this long candle. As you can see the date, this is the candle of 9, this long candle. It pumped to almost 0.5. Now this same day the candle was still here. This on the 8th candle was still there when Binance actually made announcement, because the thing actually changed around, is it 12 p UTC, something like that, before this new candle form. So even as at then, this candle was still down. This long candle that just pop up was down already, was coming down. But as Binance make announcement and you discover, you just buy your coin from here. Let's say you were able to buy from here, and let's check how much you will have make. So if you actually buy from here, which is 0.01, let's use like maybe like $100. You bought at 0.01, then 0.01, then you bought worth of $100. This is what you get. Now Binance make announcement and it jumped to 0.05, which is this. Sorry, yeah, you adjust this place because you are make using of this is the market limit and this is the other market limit and market order. 0.05, that's your $100 will automatic turn to $400 plus $433. I hope you are getting it now. So now, since not always Binance, okay, let's say now Binance also make announcements again, and some of the coin that Binance announce, they are not being listed in the exchanges. They are always listing together with Binance, so we are unable to buy the coin before the announcement of Binance. This is what we do second time. So we will now target any coin that has perpetual, whether is being listed on Binance or is not being listed on Binance. We only target the new coin here that are yet to be listed, and they have perpetual here, listed under them. We don't care about the spot. All we care now is the perpetual. And look at the time. This coin will be listed in next 11 hours. That is all we care about. Before that 11 hours, before this 11 hours, once it's almost maybe 10 minutes to the listing of the coin, we are going to position ourselves in the market. Firstly, this is what will happen. If you have any amount like in between from $10 to $20 to $30, I advise you, after you deposit on this exchange, I'm going to leave the link in the description. After you deposit on this exchange, you transfer your money from spot wallet to future wallet, and this is the feature. This is the feature here. The feature is under here. Once you click on feature, it will take you to the feature. Now listen to this is very important. This is very important. Now, to those of you that have any more in your funds, your capital is between $10 to $30 or something like that, I advise you that if you want to set up this place, once you come to feature, you click on this place. This is leverage. This leverage, actually, seriously, you can make a lot of money with this. And also, if you are not being careful, you can lose all your money in a spot very fast, because the futures trading is for only experienced trader. But we are not trading future, we are only trading new listing coin. So now you click on it. Once you click on it, you adjust it. If you are using any amount less than maybe $30, I advise you to put it 4x. And if you are using like $10, I advise you to put it like 3x. So we are waiting for a coin to be listed in 10 minutes, and we are positioning ourselves. After you put it, you adjust it, and you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to confirm. I also talk about this cross and this cross also, and also there before you will see this cross, your own will be on isolated. You can either change it to cross or you leave it on that isolated. It doesn't matter. But what really matter here is this leverage. This leverage is very important, because it's the one that will pump. If the coin pump and you are already in the market, if the coin pump, it's going to, if you over leverage it's going to take you out of the market. But if you just put the small leverage, before you know, the coin will pump, the coin is going to pump down and you'll be in profit. Now what I do is, immediately I see that maybe it's remain 1 second. Once you click on this place, like here now, let's go to new coin. This DNUSTT, if I click on it, it's going to be counting here, and after here everything will be in maybe in less than, if it's remain maybe like 30 seconds, everything will be here. And this place I will just be refreshing, and once I refresh, it will take me to the dashboard, and immediately the perpetual, I'm not talking of the spot, immediately it's list. And already I have positioned myself. This is what I will now do. Let's come to feature again. Here, this place here, I'm going to adjust my position. How many do I want to buy? I will just adjust it like maybe like 35 or 40. But normally I used to go for 40 or something like that. But if you are using a very low account, I advise you to just leave it maybe 35 or something, because although you are not going to make a lot of money, you are going to make some like $1 or something like that, if you are being patient. Now if you just adjust this, immediately sell, just go on short immediately. Once you adjust this, like you set it to anyone, but for if you are using like $20, I will advise you to put it on 40%. Just click on this sell short, immediately just short it. And once you short it, you will actually start seeing position here. You will see position here, holding position. So you will see close all on something, you will see take profit or something, but all those were, since we are just going to monitor our market, and immediately the coin will start dropping. As the coin start dropping, keep dropping, you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make the money. That is it. Let me show you the coin that was listed yesterday, and you can go ahead and do back test of all the coins that are being listed. Every coin has this. If it's new coin, it must drop. Once it pump, it must surely drop. There's nothing that anybody can hold the coin. It will surely drop. Any listing coin will surely drop. So like for this example, so as you can see, this is our Telegram platform, and I actually dropped this, though I missed this entering point. And this coin was listed, though I was very busy then. It was listed around 0.6. So and it actually dropped down to 0. It actually dropped, and look at the time I screenshot it, it actually dropped to here. And look at some of the coin we have traded. So all these are just the conversation and question and answer that they were being, and as you can see, we have been trying our best to answer each and every one. So we actually, so look at the some of the coin we traded here. Look at it. Immediately you can see we close short. This immediately we enter, it's go on 5%, and we are making a profit. Look at it. Look at the announcement that we actually trade. This was yesterday, and look at the coin we traded. Look at all this. So that is just it. And I believe with this now you should be able to understand everything I said in that previous video. So immediately you position, once you just position yourself and you go on short immediately. I am not saying you should go on short, you should sell on spot trading. I'm talking of futures trading, which is perpetual. So once you go on short, between maybe 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that you are in money, you are in profit, and immediately you can close all the position and you will actually make the profit. So I will see you in our next trading, because this we are going to trade this together in with community. The Dino USDT, we are going to trade it together, and immediately I enter the trade, I used to send the signal to the platform. So those who are interested will join me, and if I just pull out, I will also, if you are interested, I mean if you are okay with your profit, you can pull out some, because almost all coin we do this will go down, and that is how we make money on trading new coin. So yesterday also I also talked about KuCoin, and one of their agent reached out to me. I don't know, maybe it's agent or one of their reached out to me that they did not disable withdrawal. Though yesterday I've been finding it very difficult, but I never make very good research about it. So since they dislist withdrawal here, I was actually communicated that no, the withdrawal is still available, that we can actually withdraw our coin, which is, if you come here, you go to more, you click on more, you will see your more here, and once you click on it, you will see withdrawal, you will see deposit and withdrawal, and you can actually withdraw your coin as well. So let me check, let me find it. So here is it, withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, you can actually withdraw your coin back to everywhere. I'll just skip this. Here is it, you just skip it, or you, for the safe purpose, you just activate this, and but let me just keep it and see. So you see, I can withdraw my coin, I can withdraw any coin here, and you can see. So that is it for now. So I'm going to leave the link to the Telegram platform, so you can join us, and also you can sign up with the exchange we are using for this method. Although each and every exchange can do it as well, not only that exchange, but that is the exchange I am using, and that is the exchange I recommend that you should also use. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. See you.